Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. I'm super excited to introduce you to my new digital kits. There are 5 of them and they are called Summer's Bounty, and then each kit, one is journal pages, one is backing pages, one is labels, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to do a flip through of each of the kits in 5 different videos, and you can find all of those links to those flip throughs down in the description box of this listing. So yeah, with that being said, let's take a boo. So this is 26-page Summer's Bounty printable journal pages, kit 1. I can't say how much I love this kit. It's super bright and playful and fun. Love that butterfly. It's just so pretty, all of these colors. And then this is a great journal page. Then we have apples, little girl climbing the apple. Beautiful butterfly. And in the back of almost every of the journal pages, there's lots of vintage ephemera. So it's really interesting and beautiful to look at with all the different script and text. They're all bordered with, or not all, but most of them are bordered either with a red check or a green check. I love this page. And a backing page. And then we have our bumblebees. Super pretty. And a backing page. And then we have our vegetables from the vegetable garden. Sweet pea flowers. Super pretty. And there's another one. This one's just smaller and it has different things. And then this one's zoomed in to some of the vegetables, making them a lot bigger. And we have roosters, ladybug, vegetable garden, squash, pumpkins, melons, bunny rabbit. I love this, sitting on an old order form, or yeah, a watermelon and a bird with an acorn in his mouth, lots of veggies and melon vines. And we can't forget sunflowers, pumpkins, bird, butterfly, sunflowers. Absolutely beautiful. And I'm not sure how far back, but we've already switched over to the green check around the borders here. And there's another one. I absolutely love this page. Super duper love. Yeah. We have some flowers, of course. A nice backing page or journaling page. Journaling page. Then we have some herbs from the herb garden. And some really pretty doilies. And then, of course, we can't forget the bugs and the butterflies. I really like this page a lot. I know it's not for everybody. There's lots of pages to choose from, so if you don't like this one. And we have birds and butterflies. And then we have a really pretty butterfly pattern page. And so that's it. That is kit 1, Summer's Bounty journaling pages. One thing to keep in mind with this kit is that they are perfect as standalones as well. So if you're not interested in all 5 kits, you may find something in one of the other kits that you might like. So that's an option as well. And yeah, so I'm just going to stop the video and I will start the next one on kit 2. Thanks everyone. Bye.